Worried that your questions might go unanswered after opening a Gold IRA? Knowing how to evaluate ongoing support can give you peace of mind. Many investors worry that after the initial sale, their Gold IRA provider won't be responsive or helpful when questions come up. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, customer testimonials show how attentive and knowledgeable service builds lasting relationships. These examples illustrate what to look for in any provider to ensure support throughout your investment journey. When assessing ongoing support, notice if questions are answered promptly and clearly. Staff provide helpful guidance without pressure. And the company maintains communication until every concern is addressed. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also includes Gold and Silver IRA, the Silver Scheme Report, and the Digital Dollar Report. I've linked this one in the description so you can see how to identify providers who offer consistent, reliable service. By focusing on ongoing support, you will know which providers truly prioritize their customers throughout the investment process. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, so easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to find providers who offer reliable, ongoing customer service. You can find the link in the description.